Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at it again with Jetski Rush.
Stay tuned for more after the show.
Okay.
Candy Canyon.
I also voted candy because it was pink.
That's so fair.
Alright.
I did not read that.
Have a good start. Watch this, bro.
Oh shit.
Wait, who was that?
I blew you up, B.
You didn't. I didn't get hit. Oh, that was so close. I did not get hit though.
Oh no.
Puffer mine, go!
I'm comfortably in the lead for now.
You sure?
I'm very much not.
I spoke too soon on that. Psych!
Don't know what that does.
Good soul of you to hit corner first.
Oh no. Oh crap, they're on my ass. Rose, I'm behind you. Oh, you. I almost got her. Hell, I can't aim. Yes! Later.
How dare you break me?
Just so you know, I almost hit that pufferfish.
Oh,
Got his
that
ass!
would have been really fun if you... That would have been really nice if you hit it.
Oh, you almost got me! You almost got me with that.
I almost got your ass.
For those who wants to see the extended version of this video, head on over to patreon.com/yep it's the buddies for the director's cut for $5 per a month, which we offer 50% off for your first month and a 7-day free trial. Crossbone. This map is fun.
Q was rotate something.
Rotate aim.
Q and E is to rotate your aim.
Oh, you stole my item!
And I'm about to steal your dub, bruh.
You stole my item. How could you?
I'm built different. I missed this stupid...
Well, shit.
Go, pufferfish!
Oh, that was a bad idea for comfort.
Why am I zooming?
Where are we going?
Whoever's behind me, I'll see you later.
Oh, that's so unfortunate. Sorry, Rose.
No, you won't, bro. Watch this. I am in first place comfortably, so I'm chilling, I'm having fun, but I don't want to say for certain. Yep, I'm cooked. See you later. Whoever's behind me, you're not catching up, bro.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do. Watch this.
No, you stole my item. How could you?
Shit.
Yes.
Fuck! I hit the pufferfish. I almost hit that pufferfish. Yes!
No, bird.
What the fuck? No, 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 no. Wait, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Watch this.
No, you're not. You're evil.
Wait, what?
Yes. I got first place.
The only one who didn't get first place yet is B.
This is gonna be good.
Indeed.
I did not vote.
I did not get the one I voted for, so that's fine.
I forgot voting existed. How do you get this fight moved at the start?
I don't know.
You hold forward as it counts down to 3.
I was holding forward.
I should have saved that. Not caps lock. Fuck. Okay. Comfortably in the lead so far. We're doing good. We're doing good. I'm gonna save this missile for next time I see a pufferfish. They are getting absolutely destroyed in this map. I'm just being cheating.
I got crowned.
You! Shit.
No, I missed.
No! What the f? No!
Again.
Rose, you need to stop being good.
Damn.
No. Vote.
Voting!
Hollow Castle, that one is such a fun one.
It sounds fun.
Hollow Castle.
Dude, I f***ing love this
Okay.
map.
There we go. Speed boost.
I didn't get it.
Skill issue, get good.
What did you hit me with? Why did you steal my
A missile.
Shot you with a missile, and then I shot a pufferfish shot.
I almost got you.
Oh, there was a pufferfish in my way. I would have gotten him otherwise.
Oh, that's so creepy. There is a wall there. Don't burn me. I don't think the bird did anything.
You get scalded, bud.
I don't want skulls.
How did I miss?
How could you?
I'm going first this time, bud. I'm gonna win.
Sorry, no hard feelings.
Are you sure about that? Oh my goodness, like underneath.
Way to be. Oh, I am right on his ass right now. Come on! Yes! Wait, what?
5 minutes! Holy shit!
Good job.
5.0! 5 seconds!
Wow.
Damn!
Holy shit!
Good job.
I'm impressed. Scores
Jeez,
before
zombie.
B dips to get some sleep. He and I won once. Rose won twice.
Mm-hmm. Yippee!
Do you want to do the outro before you leave, B?
Sure. Thank you guys all so much for watching this crazy VR chat game of Jetski Rush. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, go to our Patreon so you can see the extended cut of this, and yeah, bye.
Yeah, what he said.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up.